In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to change units of measurement in the Booking.com app, whether you want to switch between Celsius and Fahrenheit for temperature or kilometers and miles for distance. This is perfect for travelers who prefer using specific units. But before we start with the video, if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe for more similar videos like this one. The first step is to open the Booking.com app on your mobile phone, and then make sure you're logged into your account. I'm already logged in, and we now have to access our settings by tapping on this little My Account option at the bottom right corner, and then locate the Device Preferences option and open it. This will give us a lot of options which we can edit and customize, but let's tap on this Units option, and then change it either to metric or the imperial measuring system, whichever you use. I'll set this to imperial, and now the distance units, size, temperature, and other will be displayed in miles, square feet, Fahrenheit, and so on. If you need more similar Booking.com and other helpful videos, check out the channel and leave a like. If this was helpful, it would really help me out. Thanks for watching, everyone, and I'll see you soon.